Let's get this match started. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off in qualification match number 30. Already we have Team Rush scoring a piece of coral, dislodging a piece of algae. Looks like they try to grab a piece of coral, don't quite get it, and come back for a third one as time runs down in this autonomous period. Over on blue, we had 3 robots leave their starting positions. Looks like they might have scored 1 piece of coral in their autonomous efforts as well. Now drivers have control. 2 blue robots over by their coral station collecting some coral. The other collecting algae. Looks like they're going to decide where they want to put those game pieces to score them for their alliance. Meanwhile, back over on red, Rush rushing to put coral onto L4 and dislodging algae as they go. Seems they've elected not to use their coral station all the way and are letting their human players dump some coral onto the field for them to collect. Seems they've decided this is the more efficient scoring path for their team in this match. With about 1:35 left, we have a score of 28 for red, 20 for blue in this tightly contested match. Super Hornets continuing to score coral into L4 for their alliance. Looks like they're going to dislodge a piece of algae, try to dislodge a piece of algae, decide it's not worth their trouble to do it further, and go back to collect a piece of coral from their human player station. Ignite seems like they want to get on the action, clearing the way for their alliance. They pull a piece of algae out of their reef, and their third alliance partner, Edwardsville Technology, corrals one over into the processor, which now ends up in the red human player's hands, and they dispatch it nicely into their barge. Nice 2-point swing for the blue alliance, 6 points earned for them, and 4 for the red alliance. Moving back to the red side of the field, it seems Team Rush is happy with their scoring efforts on L4 and has moved on to L3. They manipulate a game piece, don't quite get it scored, and go back to collect another for their scoring efforts. Meanwhile, their third alliance partner, 1775, is plucking away at L2, grabbing some coral and seeing if they can finish out a 3 or 4 tier 5 scored coral to get that bonus. Back over on the blue side of the field with 25 seconds remaining, 69-53 our score for the red alliance in this tightly contested match. Edwardsville taking game a little early. Seems like they've got the cage in their grasp, and we'll see if they can achieve a deep hang as time starts to wind down. Meanwhile, Raven Robotics parked for the red alliance. Their 2 alliance partners continuing to feverishly work away at that reef. Now Rush goes for a deep hang. They get it. They've got 2 robots parked as time expires. We'll see if they're able to achieve how many rank points they're able to achieve, because they were in. It's our red alliance winning this match. Red alliance with a score of 113-78. Congratulations to our red alliance in what was a tightly contested match. They have achieved 5 ranking points in this one, 1 for their efforts scoring coral. Looks like they were